Hi everyone, just going overseas. Please tag along, join me, let's enjoy this journey. It's been a long time. This is literally the first time in a long time to go overseas. I just got in my Uber right now, and we're going to the city. And from city, we're just going to connect using a bus, as you can see. In the bus right now. We have arrived at Sydney Airport. It's a nice day. It's a beautiful day. All of the flights that are going to be taking off tonight, and I can already see my flight up there. I'm excited. Follow me. Let's see what's going to happen. Alright. Yeah. Departures. The airport look a bit empty right now. It will probably fill up in no time. Man, among few things I love in life, airport and hotel, you can never go wrong. Love them. They just have a certain positive vibe that I really love. Nice and clean. Look at it. Yeah, and I'm now at my gate. As you can see, gate 50. Everybody's so anxious to get on the plane. And yeah, we're going to use Air Asia, as you can see. And look at how big it is. This is the first time for me to use the Air Asia, and there's quite a spacious, which is good.
Your safety is our
We're just about to take off right
I
now.
ask for your full attention.
I'm excited. I love the expectations of expecting the unexpected. I always love those scenarios. I've never been to Southeast Asia before, so yeah, I'm kind of excited and not excited at the same time. More nervous, I think that's the word. But yeah, let's enjoy. We're taking off now at the Sydney airport, and look at the city. Looks really nice. The time now is 9 p.m. and I believe the flight is 8 hours and 30 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. We'll find out. It's somewhere in the ticket. Alright, everyone. You'll notice that I spent quite a bit in Malaysia, and right now I am departing from Malaysia and actually going to Vietnam.
We will now demonstrate to you the safety
I had an issue with my camera. It was something to do with charger.
may differ from other
So,
aircraft.
and
We
I
ask
made a
you to pay
mistake
full
to
attention to the cabin crew
not
members. This is your seatbelt.
charge it in Sydney.
Fasten
So in
insert
that
belt
way, I don't know. I'll try my
and
best
fasten the
to,
belt by pulling on the buckle strap.
gather a few
To
videos
unfasten, lift, and
for
release.
my stay
Whenever the seatbelt
in
sign is on,
Malaysia.
you must return to your seat
Nonetheless,
the seatbelt picture.
we're
Should an
departing right
accident
now
occur,
from
all
Malaysia,
seat compartments
and
are
we
lifted.
are heading
Immediately
off
pull the mask
to
closed
Vietnam.
Place the mask
I'm
over your
excited.
nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
Alright, guys, we're now touching down in Vietnam, and it was a very, very nice flight. I really enjoyed it. So far, so good. Just gotta wait and see what the outside has to offer. got picked up at the airport by my driver, and we're heading off to the hotel. One thing I've noticed is that here is extremely boiling. It is hot, like hot, hot. There's no any other way around. It is very hot. I've also noticed the traffic from the airport to where we're at now. I've noticed uh, traffic is extremely hectic. And one thing that is very new is how the motor riders or motorists, how they share the road with cars. It's just giving me anxiety. Like everything is just this moving in like fast motion, basically. And I'm not sure how people drive here. Like, well, maybe they're used to it, but I don't think if I can ever get used to it because, yeah, it looks very scary. It looks really scary compared to where I came from. Yeah, the driving is completely different from here. Look at the traffic. Look at it. Like everybody's just honking at each other. Cars, motorbikes. It is so chaotic. I have arrived in my hotel. So just checking in right now. And here is my hotel room. I like the table. And that's my bed. For some reason it's small, but I had requested, actually booked the deluxe. So I'm not sure if this is the deluxe here, but it looks so small. It looks almost like it's a single bed, but that's not what I had booked. So that is something that I will have to uh, discuss with the hotel receptionist later on. So far, so good. The weather is really hot. That's something that I need to adjust to. And in the hotel, I've already turned on my air conditioning just to cool things off. And I will have a shower and go out and explore the city. Nevertheless, I'm looking forward to sharing everything with you soon.